Do you also love traveling and you want to start a travel blog website of yours? So in this video, I'm going to show you the entire roadmap of building your travel blog website in 2024. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is my Google tab. What I'm going to do, I'm going to search for Hostinger. It's a platform that provides domain hosting, web hosting, Indian and internationally, and this is one of the most trustworthy platform where I buy my domains for my e-commerce and for all the businesses that we own. So you can see they have a 77% off sale going on, and as for the blogging website, we do need a web hosting. So first of all, what I'm going to do, I'm going to log in into it. Now you have to select what you actually looking for. So we are looking for hosting. So here we are choosing web hosting plan, and I'll be going with this premium web hosting plan, in which they are providing us the free domain and the free professional email as well, because I'll be doing the email marketing, and most of the brands I will reach out, it should be a professional emails. So they are providing plenty of things in this premium plan, so I'll be going on with that only. So I'll select the plan. So you can see there are multiple options over here for 1 month, 12 month, 24 month and 48 months. I'll be choosing 12 month. So I'll recommend you to go with this 12-month plan. Because in the beginning 2 to 3 months you might not be getting much results, but once you will start getting the results, you can upgrade it after 12 months. So moving forward, I'm choosing this 12 month, and they have this 60% off in this one also, so I'll be going with this one. So I have this coupon code of ours, that is by our channel's name. So by using this coupon code, you will be getting a 30% off. So the coupon code is Digital Heroes, and all you have to do, you just have to apply. You can see you are getting an instant discount. So once this is done, you have to choose your payment method. And guys, do use our code if you are willing to go for web hosting plans, because you can see you are getting quite a good discount by using our code. So do use that. So guys, if you're interested in buying the web hosting from Hostinger, you can check our link in the bio. There we have given our affiliate link. By using code Digital Heroes, you can get a 10% discount on every web hosting you purchase from Hostinger. Now they have this option of paying you through PayPal, GPay and UPI and RuPay card, whatever option you would like to go for, go with. So I'll be paying through my UPI. So first of all, you have to add phone number and your UPI ID. So you can see I'm going to pay here. So now you can see we have purchased our premium web hosting plan. So now it's time to set up it. So I'll be going with the setup. Start now. I'm creating it for myself. Yes, I'm going to build it for myself. Blog, create a migrate or a website. So I'll create a website. For now, I'm going to skip this. So guys, as you know, while we were buying the premium plan, Hostinger gave us the free domain. So you can see here we have the option of claiming a free domain. So if you have already decided your blog website name, so you can select and buy your free domain right now. And if you haven't figured it out, so you can do it afterwards also. So now I'm going to claim a free domain. If you already have an existing domain, you can go on with that also. Or you want to buy some other domain, they have this option also. I've tried many of the names, but this one name that came into my mind is this Cosmic Wanderer. Let's see whether we have this domain name available or not. So we have this domain name available from cosmicwanderer.in. So I think this is a good name, so I'll continue going on with that. So I'll be purchasing this for personal use only, not for the company or the organization, because I'm just beginning. So now you have to fill your personal details, your address, phone number, zip code, all the things. Right now I'm just adding all this. You can skip this part. So once you will fill all your address detail, you have to add your number as well. So I'm going to add my number. You can see my domain name is registering. So now it's all done. What I'm going to do, now we'll go to the manage site. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install WordPress because I'm going to create my blog on WordPress only. So first of all, you have to install WordPress. Now you have to keep a website title as well. So the domain that we have bought by the name of Cosmic Wanderer, we are going to write that, and your email. If you want, you can put on some password also. So I'll be putting my password. So now WordPress is installing. Along with that SSL. So before that we have to activate our Cosmic Wanderer domain also. So for that they have given this reference video which we can watch. By the help of that we can easily connect our domain. So now that our domain is connected, we will be going to design our website with WordPress. So here you can see WordPress admin panel is given here. So I'm going to choose that, and it is redirecting me to the WordPress interface. You can see here we have this option of customizing our website. So here are different options, but I'll be going with the appearance and we'll choose theme. It's up to you which type of theme you want to go on for your website, and I'm going to choose the theme Astra because I'm quite familiar with this one. So as you know, we are going to create a travel blog website. So the whole idea for creating my blog website is that I want to keep it quite minimal and quite aesthetic, so that it shouldn't be reaching only one side of audience. I want it to reach a mass level of audience, so that is why. So as you know that I have choose the Astra theme. You can see this is our Astra theme, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to activate this theme over here. And now we have to install the starting template. There are plenty of templates given in this Astra theme. You just have to choose according to your vision. Now you have this two options, classic starter templates and AI website designer. So we have chosen the classic one. Now it is giving us the option to select a page builder. So I'll be using the Elementor. So you can see there are plenty of themes over here, but out of these, which one I like is this one, this wonderful gift kind of thing. I think it suits best to my vision, so I'll stick to this one. You can see this is quite a good theme, and it will remind you of going to mountains. If you want, you can change the colors according to your vision, and there are some fonts also. It's up to you how you want to design it.
So now what we have to do, we just have to install plugins, and the plugin name is starter template. And what we are going to do, we are going to search in the keyword starter template. You can see we have got this first one is the starter template, and now we are going to install it. And once it is installed, you just have to activate it. So we have this classic starter, and once this is done, we'll going to Elementor. So as we are going to design the travel website, so I think we'll go with this one, this a wonderful gift. And if you want, now you just have to add your first name and submit and build my website. So now our website has been developed. So what we are going to do, we are going to view our website, how it actually looks like. You can see this is our basic website. So now before doing that, we'll go to settings and we'll going to be in the journal. And here you can see we have a lot of permalink settings, and we'll go to post, and whatever that is extra, we are going to just delete that and trash. And so what we are going to do, we are going to add new post, and then you have to add your title. You can take the help of ChatGPT as well, how you want your content to be written in your website. So you just have to add your title. So once you copy it, you just have to paste it. Whatever prompt you want to give to ChatGPT, you can do the innovation work on ChatGPT only. You just have to paste it here, so that whatever you want the personalized section to be written in your personal blog, you can do that. So now the second topic will be culinary adventures. You just have to add the titles, and you just also have to add the explanation of those particular headings, so that whenever someone wants to go to the street food potential and whatever, so they just have the whole knowledge. So in this way it will be a very personalized. And plus if in your blog all these things are going to be mentioned, so all the visitors are going to keep coming back whenever they are planning to go somewhere. So they will keep coming to your uh, travel blog and to read your blogs and make itinerary accordingly to that. And this written content section is up to you, how you want to get it personalized. Once it is done, what we are going to do, we are just going to publish it. You can see all the things that we have added, it has been already added in our travel blog. Now we are going to post, and you can see everything is written over here. So if you want to edit something, you can edit it from here only. And if you want to add some more images and something, so to make it more attractive, you can do that also. So here I'm going to add the featured image as well to make it more interactive. You can download images from the internet. I'm just giving you the rough idea how you can design it. You can see here there are multiple images. You can use those as per your choice, or else you can download it from many internet sources as per your choice. So here I have added all the photos together, so that it is going to be uploaded all together without wasting a lot of time. Once it is done, you just have to update this. So what you have to do, you just have to edit and have to add the feature image in each of the topics, so that it will look more relevant. I'm just adding it roughly, just to make sure that I'm adding all the images so that it will be visible in our blog. But you can do it, take your time, do it as per your choice, because while you are doing the customization, you have to use your own creativity. Now what we are going to do, we are going to visit our website and see how it actually looks like. So whatever images that I've added in the featured section, it is visible over here. If you want to add some more elements, you can definitely do it, so that if someone is going to come to your blog, they found it more attractive. If you want to add some services, projects, contact details, home, about your company, about your um, blog, you can definitely do that. In the services part, you can provide all the services that you like, the itinerary planning, bookings and everything. So here you just have to go to the pages and you just have to tick it, so that if anyone will visit to the services page, they are going to see the basic service and everything, projects and everything. So you can also install this app Unlimited Elements, so that you can add more free widgets, add-ons and the templates to make your blog website more attractive. You just have to activate it, so that you'll have more access to in the editing section, and if you want to make it more interactive as per your choice, it is going to be, once it is activated, you can see we have a lot of option of widgets. You can see we have tons of options available in the widgets gallery. So whichever widget you like, you just have to tap onto the ping tab. So here you can add some more featured text, like the featured post. If you want to, these all the things that I'm showing you right now in the layout and the style section, that is basically depends on your creativity, how do you want it. I'm just showing you the roughly idea of creating the blog website on Hostinger, so that if you want to do create one for you, you can definitely do that as a beginner. This is all in a beginner level only. So I'm just trying to add this one more section of post, so that it will become more interactive. If it comes in the upper section, you can decide the overlays also, and the length, how you want it to be visible in your blog. It completely depends on you. You can see I'm just scrolling around these layouts so that I can make it more visibly good. Now I think it looks pretty good. I'll just have updated it, and now I'll be going to pages. If whatever changes you want to do or want to add a new page, you can definitely do that. And now I'm just going to add this one more page, that is of blog, and I am going to edit it in Elementor so that I'll have more control to edit it accordingly to my choice, with more widgets and more layouts. You can decide the width and the size of the container. I think this one is pretty good. This will be the going to be the heading, that is all blogs. So the all the blogs that I've written on my this travel blog page is going to be in this section only. Or else if you want, you can add this heading featured blogs also. That also looks cool. I'm just going to give a little more margin so that these pictures comes a little upward, and this gives a very good definition that I am actually looking for. But still I think there's some more changes that needs to be done, like in the image section. If you want, you can add some image borders in the radius format also, like all the radius of these columns you can see over here. If you want to add some background image, you can do that also. Completely up to your choice. I'm just doing the basic. Now I'm going to in this appearance, and then I'm going to menus. I think services doesn't look quite good, so I'm just going to remove that, and I'm going to stick with this home, about, and contact page along with blog. So now I'm going to save the menu, and once I'm going to reload this, you can see all the changes that I've done is visible in my blog website. So this is how, guys, you can make a travel blog for yourself on Hostinger, because it's quite really easy. Whatever interface I've done, it's very basic as compared to other platforms. So you can definitely go with this one and start your travel blog as soon as possible, because it's never too late now. So I hope you like this video. So don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for more videos.